Now, right a day after chaos outside liquor shops in the national capital, Delhi government has now cracked the whip. In a late-night order, the government has levied 70% additional corona tax on liquor above maximum retail price. But this doesn't deter people from queuing up outside liquor shops today as well. Delhi government's decision comes right after customers in the national capital did not adhere to social distancing norms, after which police resorted to lathi charge at multiple places, including Kashmiri Gate and Narela. Few of these shops were even shut owing to this chaos right outside. West Bengal will open liquor shops today with restrictions. In Haryana, booze shops didn't see the light of day yesterday, as many of them waited for orders from the excise department. Owners demanded relaxation in fee and taxes as well. Meanwhile, DMK chief Stalin slammed the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy, saying that opening of liquor shops will lead to crowding, and this is counterproductive at a time like this of a lockdown. Liquor shops, however, will open in Tamil Nadu on the 7th of May.
Well, I'm currently standing in Vasant Vihar, which is among the posh area of the capital. And this is the shop which was open yesterday. It was amongst the 123 liquor shops which was allowed to open yesterday. But today, this shop has issued a notice from the police saying that there was a mismanagement in this premises and the shop manager needs to be answerable. Social distancing wasn't being followed, due to which a notice has been issued to the manager of this particular liquor shop. The people started gathering early this morning and started forming line, but the police were present in this area and they have told them that the shop won't get open today. As you can see in the visuals on the other side of the area, people are still standing and waiting for this shop to open up, as there is a lot of confusion, because right after this notice, police are saying that this shop won't open today, but the people are still expecting this shop to open. So today we have to see whether this shop gets open or not, because it has received a notice from the authorities saying that there was no social distancing being followed by which the manager of the liquor shop needs to be answerable for the situation. With camera person Pawan Kumar, it's Devanshu for India Today.
We are at Khyber Pass in civil lines, where people started gathering from about 6 a.m. and let's just try and speak to some of the people here. Uncle, आप कितने बजे से खड़े हुए हैं?
मेरे को जी 1.5 घंटा करीब हो गया।
तो अभी सरकार ने 70% दाम बढ़ा दिया, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा आप ये खरीदने का?
फर्क तो पड़ेगा, ठीक कह रहे हो। महंगी पड़ेगी, सही कह रहे हो आप।
कहाँ रहते हो, क्या काम करते हो?
आप मजदूर रहते, ड्राइविंग करते हैं। हाँ जी।
तो अभी पिछले 1.5 महीने में कुछ कमाई हो पाई है?
कमाई वही नहीं हो पाई है, लेकिन अब जब हर चीज की आदत पड़ चुकी है, अब ये भी एक आदत है।
70% सरकार ने दाम बढ़ा दिया, उससे कोई फर्क पड़ेगा?
तो थोड़ी कम ले जाएंगे।
So as you can see, the hike in price has not stopped the ones who are waiting for their fix. Remember, alcohol is something that people get addicted to, and these people here are not from extremely financially sound backgrounds, but they are people who have managed to scrounge up some money together to ensure that their fix they can find. And that actually is exactly what is going to be a very problematic situation here, with the government increasing prices. These people who've been standing here for the last 1.5 to 2 hours are saying it is going to be a problem, but they will not stop themselves from buying alcohol. So it is very clear that when the government decided to reopen the liquor vends for the sake of revenue, they knew that the revenue will come because people will not stop drinking. But the question is, will they actually maintain social distancing, and will the threat of the coronavirus spread actually be able to be stopped?
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.